Hello everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And in the last class, we have seen how to create the page class. We have created sign up or login page class. And today we are going to design the page class for this user login homepage, right? So if you see, right, if I log out, we'll go to the login page. So in last class, we have designed the page class for sign up or login page where we have verified the page title and then we have entered the username and password and clicked on the login. So after that, we are navigating to the user homepage. If you see, logged in as username, right? So this is my username. And here, if you see, it will also have a title, page title, right? So let's go and inspect. See network, not over here only. Sorry. So HTML head. So title. Here it was there. So title is automation exercise. So this is what we are going to verify this page title. After that, we are going to click on the logout link and we will be logging out of this page. So okay, so let's see automationexercise.com. So sign up or login. So login. Okay. So now let's design the page class. So this will call this as user login page. Okay. So let's see. Let's go to IntelliJ and we have home page and sign up login page. Let's say user home page. Okay. So copy and let's paste it and we'll say user home page. Okay. So in user homepage, what are the things we are going to do, right? So the first thing is we have two things, right? We have to verify the title and we have to click on the logout, right? So for that one, before that, we'll just capture the page title. Okay. So expected user home page title. Expected user home page title equals to. So let's go here, inspect. So head title automation exercise. Okay. Copy. Let's go here, put it here. Okay, so automation exercise and this is my login credential, username and password. You guys can create your own username and password and then you can start using it. Okay, so now uh, I'm not at all using this one as of now. So expected user homepage title equals to automation exercise. Okay, so let's go to our page class. So user homepage. Okay, so in the homepage, what are the things we need? So we definitely need driver, we need the properties, and we need logger also, right? The private boolean logger log and status also we need because we are going to verify, right? Verify the whether the status is true or false, like how we did the verification here. The same thing we're going to do, right? So we're going to verify, and if the where status is true or false depending upon these conditions, then we're going to return the status to the call test cases. Okay, the same implementation we're going to do. So let's say user homepage and status string expected title. Okay, fine. So now what are the web element we need to find? Okay, so we need to identify the logout link first, right? So here which link is there? Here we have the logout link, right? So we have to click on this logout. Let's go and see a href equals to logout. Okay, so let's write control F double slash a. Okay, so now I'll use so here logout. Okay, so okay, so a, let's say there is a lot of spaces are there before, right? So we can trim them by using normalize space function. So let's say normalize hyphen space equals to, right? So the function parenthesis, okay, equals to, and I can say it was the logout, right? So this is the one, right? So capital L, okay. So this is logout, okay. So if you see one is identified, so let's take this one. Let's go to IntelliJ. Okay, so this is logout link, logout link. Okay, so private web element logout link, and we need the driver, that's okay, and initializing the page factory and log manager. Okay, this is fine. And right, so we need one more thing, right? We have to verify the homepage title also, right? So let's say click on the sign in. We don't need this one. Let's copy this method, verify the page title, right? Okay, so let's copy this one and put it user homepage. We'll just rename it. So we're going to verify, and this is user homepage, right? User homepage title. Say user home page title. Okay. So and from configuration dot properties, which what is the name? Expected user homepage title. So copy this one. So go to user homepage, expected user homepage title, and again expected page title is expected title driver dot get title. Okay, so this is the actual title we're getting and we're verifying, and depending upon that status we're returning that value. Okay, status either true or false. So now we're done, right? And we have to write a method for logout, right? So we just defined the logout link here, right? So but we never created the function or method for that one. So let's say logout link. So yeah, wait. So public void, okay, and click logout link. We'll say click logout link, and here logout, we have a logout link, right? Web element we have defined logout link dot click, right? So for the click method done, and logger dot info, we can have log dot info, right? Log dot info. Okay, so what log message we're going to put? Clicked on logout link. Okay, just put clicked on logout link. Okay, so this is done. Now the user homepage designing is also done. Okay, so we created one logout web element we identified, and here we are verifying the user homepage title and expected user homepage title. We are reading that from the configuration.properties file where we have already captured and pre-filled the value automation exercise, and then we were clicking on the logout link. That method we have defined over here, right? So this is the user homepage implementation. So in the next class we'll see how to create the test case for this one, and again how to call these methods, so that we can see by passing the actual username and password we can do those sign in functionalities. Okay, so that's all to this session, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and then please, if you have any doubt, put them in the comments. I'll get back to you, and please share these videos with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to the Q automation classes for the next upcoming classes. Thank you, everyone.